Here I'm at Jhilmil Jheel Reserve, Nature Reserve. Can you hear that bark? That's the spotted deer telling us that there is a predator around. And guess what? We actually saw the leopard. He crossed. We got all excited. I might have a little puchdi tail video of it, but I'm making this video because I'm so grateful right now. So grateful for this jungle life that I'm living for the last 2-3 days in the Rishikesh, Haridwar area, and to have met such amazing people who truly care that you're having a good time, you're having good sightings, you're having good meals, you are having a great time. And that's what happens, guys, when you live in gratefulness. Is you are given more things to be grateful about. And I could just burst out in tears here because it's just it's just beautiful. It's just really, really, really wonderful. We are surrounded by bird sounds. We know there's a leopard about what, 12 feet away, about
Yes.
12 feet away.
Yes.
And we saw tiger marks, and this is an open jeep, so you know we could have a tiger right behind looking at us, and that's how I like to live. Anyway, hope some of you can join me someday over here.